Hi students, good morning. We have discussed properties yesterday. The first property is integration of a to b f of x dx. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of t dt. Next property, integration of a to b f of x dx equal to minus integration of b to a f of x dx. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to integration of a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Next, integration of minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even, so f of minus x equal to f of x. If f is odd function, the value becomes 0. Now we'll discuss the last property. In this side, this most important properties. And next, now I am going to discussing third property. So they will ask for 6 marks property and problem together. Now, next last property, integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, and this is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Here not even, not odd function. This is not odd even function, this is not odd function, because odd function differential is different. Odd function means f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Even function is f of minus x equal to f of x. That is even function. Understood? This is not even, may or may not be, but by this concept, don't create your own way. It's a even. It's not even, it's not odd. Are you following? Understood? Okay. Now let us prove this one. Proof, which is most important. Integration of this previous we have discussed 3 and this one 4. These 4 questions are very important. These questions only will be repeated. They ask many times. Integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx. In between, what value will be there? A. So can I split like this? Integration of 0 to a f of x dx and integration of a to 2a f of x dx by third property. 0 to a, okay, limits same, but these are limits different. So let us solve this one. Okay, consider integration of a to 2a f of x dx. Now what to do? These limits we have to change as a 0 to a. To make that, we have to substitute something here. Let this is 2a minus x equal to t. Then lower limit became a 0, upper limit became a. See, put x is equal to a here. 2a minus a. And if you apply 2a minus 2a, 0. Later became interchange. Are you following? Now apply differentiate here. 2a differentiation is 0 minus dx by dt equal to 1. So dx equal to minus dt. Lower limit. If x is equal to a, then t is equal to 2a minus a. 2a minus a equal to a. Upper limit. If x is equal to 2a, then t is equal to 2a minus 2a equal to 0. Now integration of a to 2a f of x dx equal to integration of, what is the lower limit is a, upper limit is 0. F of x is equal to 2a minus t, dx is equal to minus dt. Interchange the limits, then 0 to a, minus become a plus, f of 2a minus t dt. By first property, change the variable f of 2a minus x dx. When you change the variable, don't change the limits. Okay. Now integration of a to 2a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Okay. Now from 1 integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to, tell me, 0 to a f of x dx plus a to 2a equal to 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Then same limits, then we can add it. So integration of 0 to a f of x plus f of 2a minus x whole dx. This is integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx. Right? Now this is the equation 2. Case, here there are two cases. Case 1, if f of 2a minus x equal to, this is dependent, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to, tell me, 0 to a f of x plus this is equal to f of x whole dx. So which is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx. This is, if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then 2 comes, this 2 comes here, 0 to a f of x dx. Next, case 2. This is possible only for this. If it is not possible, this 2 not comes here. Next, case 2. If f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, then integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to, tell me, 0 to a f of x, this is minus f of x. So the value became a 0 to 2a f of x dx. Hence, so this is the 4 marks and related problem they will ask. Okay, one problem I am going to discuss in example. 0 to 2 pi cos x dx. 0 to 2 pi cos x dx. Okay, is it contained this formula 0 to 2a or not? Yes, 2a is pi. So f of x, tell me the f of x is equal to cos x. There are two cases. F of 2a minus x equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. So let's verify. F of 2a minus x. 2a means 2 pi minus x. Let's verify. X replaced by 2 pi minus x. Cos of 2 pi minus x. Cos of 2 pi minus x. Cos of 2 pi minus x. Cos x. 360. 360 means even right angle. Cos became a cos. Fourth quadrant cos x. Positive. Cos x. So cos x is nothing but f of x. So f of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x. Then it comes first case or second case? First case. Then 2 comes. Integration of 0 to 2 pi cos x dx equal to, by f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. So 2 comes here. 2 into 0 to a cos x dx. Again this 0 to, can I write like this, 2 into pi by 2 cos x dx. Pi means 2 into pi by 2. Again which is the form of 0 to 2a. So let this is f of x. Again use the property 0 to 2a property. f of x. Tell me f of 2a minus x. 2 into pi by 2 minus x. 2 into pi by 2 minus x. F of pi minus x. Okay. Cos of pi minus x. Cos of pi minus x is minus cos x, which is equal to minus f of x. So by the second property, if it is f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, by case 2, the value became a 0. So this value became a 0. 0 to 2 pi cos x dx equal to 0. It was asked in 2016 that time this problem. Here many students they have done that. This is they have done wrong, because first case everybody can do it. After this they will stuck up, because pi they may not convert it 2 into pi by 2. Okay. By second case again 0 to 2a perform. Again use the second case. Then we will get the value became a minus f of x. In second case the value became a 0. You follow strictly properties. If it is 0 to 2a, then use 0 to 2a property. Go for that property. If it is minus a to a, use that property. Strictly, you should follow the properties. Are you following? While if it is different integration, different integral value while finding, keep in mind, use properties. Such problems they will ask. Okay? Next, we'll practice the problems. Next, exercise 7.11. Exercise 7.11. By using properties of different integrals, evaluate the integrals. The first question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. So this is we can find by using indefinite concept. Cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. By that we also can find, but they given by using properties. Let this is I integral. Which property have to give me? 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is. Use the property I equal 0 to a means pi by 2 cos square x means x replaced by a minus x. A means 90 minus x dx. So cos 90 minus x equal to cos 90 minus x equal to sin x. So sin square x dx. This is second equation. Add 1 2 1 and 2. I plus I 2i equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x dx, which is equal to 1. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. 1 integration x. Limits 0 to pi by 2. Apply upper limit pi by 2 minus 0, which is equal to pi by 2. Therefore 2i is equal to pi by 2. 2i equal to pi by 2. Then I is equal to pi by 4. I means 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx equal to pi by 4. Understood? This is you can find by without properties. By property easy. But by indefinite what to do? Use formula cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 1 will take out 1 integration x cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2. Then apply upper limit minus lower limit. So this is you can find by using sin square x also. Homework here. Homework. Prove that integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx is also pi by 4. This is you try yourself. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx equal to pi by 4. Second question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 root of sin x by root of sin x plus root of cos x dx. This is, I think you know, already I said shortcut. What is the answer to this? Pi by 4. 0 to pi by 2 sin 4 n x. N means here 1 by 2. Sin co-function will be there. Okay, not only this, if it is tan x, here cot x should be there. We will get answer 5 by 4. Sec x, then next cosec x. I said no, sin power nx here. N means any positive number. It may positive real number. It may 1 by 2, 3 by 2, anyone. So we will get 5 by 4. So let us solve. This is. Tell me which property we have to use here. 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. The way of asking the question, prove this property and evaluate this problem. So the problem solving 4 marks, the proof of this property is 2 marks. Understood? Right. I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 root of sin x replaced by a minus x 90 minus x root of sin of 90 minus x plus root of cos of 90 minus x dx. I equal to 0 to pi by 2 root of sin 90 minus x equal to cos x by root of cos x plus root of sin x and dx. This is equation 2. Add 1 plus 2. Add 1 and 2. I plus I, 2i equals integration of 0 to pi by 2. What is the denominator? Same or not? Yes. So root of cos x plus root of sin x. The numerator will be same. Root of sin x plus cos x. This is get cancelled. So 2i equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. 1 integration is x 0 to pi by 2. Apply upper limit pi by 2 minus 0. So 2i equal to pi by 2. Therefore I is equal to pi by 4. So I nothing but I means 0 to pi by 2 root of sin x dx by root of sin x plus root of cos x which is equal to pi by 2. So previous class I have discussed 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx by sin power nx plus cos power nx equal to pi by 4, where it belongs to r plus positive real number. N equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, anyone you can substitute. 2, 3, 100 also, 1000 also, any positive real number. The answer will get by 4. Okay, co-function should be there. If it is cos, here sin should be there. If it is tan, one of the function cot should be there. Sec, cosec, sec. Like that. Co-function should be there. Power anything. If it is limit 0 to pi by 2, the answer is pi by 4. You cover this side and okay. Next, the question number 3. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 3 by 2x dx. Sin power 3 by 2x plus cos power 3 by 2x. Tell me the answer is pi by 2. Sin for an x, cos for an x, 0 to pi by 2. Let this is I. Can you try this? I equal 0 to pi by 2 sin power 3 by 2. Use property x replaced by pi by 2 minus x. Sin power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x. Cos power 3 by 2 pi by 2 minus x dx. I equal 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x cos x. This is cos of 3 by 2x plus sin of 3 by 2x. This is second one. 1 plus 2. I plus I, 2i, 0 to pi by 2. Here denominator is cos power 3 by 2x plus sin power 3 by 2x. Numerator is same, sin power 3 by 2x plus cos power 3 by 2x dx. Get the answer. One integration is x limits 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to pi by 2. So 2i equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 2. Next, the fourth question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x dx by sin power 5x dx cos power 5x dx. Tell me the answer. Pi by 4. That you try yourself. This is homework. You will get pi by 4. This is also homework. Next, question number 5. Integration minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. Mod of x plus 2 dx. Okay. See, this is in the form of property minus a to a f of x dx. Check it, f of x equal to mod of x plus 2. What is the property of this integration of minus a to a f of x dx means? There are two cases. If it is even, 2 into 0 to a. If it is odd, 0. Let's verify whether it is odd or even. So put x is equal to minus x. Here minus x plus 2. What is that? Even. Is it possible to write in the f of x form? Mod minus if we take common x minus 2. Mod of minus x minus 2 equal to mod of x minus 2. But here x plus 2. So not equal to f of x. Therefore f of x is neither even nor odd. Neither even nor odd. So go for another method. Not this property. Because if this property is applicable only for even and odd, but it is neither even nor odd. So how to find if mod is there? The mod, when it became a 0 here, minus 2. So that is the splitting point. By third property, so we have to split minus 5 to minus 2 and minus 2 to 5. So negative part write separate, positive part write separate. Because mod x equal to x when x is greater than 0. The mod x equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Use this property. The mod x equal to x when x is greater than 0 minus x when x is less than 0. Right, by using this property. Now, tell me minus 5 to minus 2. Are you following? Splitting this. In between minus 5 to minus 2, some part it's divided, changing the sign from plus to minus or minus to plus. Wait, what is the critical point here? Minus 2. So, splitting the interval minus 5 to minus 2 mod of x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to minus 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. Plus 4. Yes. You see, minus 5 to minus 2, any number you select it. Minus 3, minus 3.5, minus 4.1, minus 4.2. In this interval, any number you select it. That number substitute. Tell me what number is minus 4. Minus 4 is there in this interval? Yes. Minus 4 plus 2, positive or negative? Negative. In this entire interval, this inside function is negative. So when you see here, the mod x, when x is negative, the mod x equal to minus x. When x is negative, the mod x equal to minus x. You learned in first year, second topic, the modulus function. Okay? When x is positive, the mod x equal to x. Right? So the mod of x plus 2 is negative in this interval. What about this? Minus 2 to 5, take any number. 0, 1, 2, substitute here. 0 plus 2, 2. Positive or negative? Positive. Entire interval, this is positive. Right? Tell me, minus 5 to minus 2. We should open the bracket. Open the modulus. Then we can find integration. Because mod x integration we don't know. We know x integration. We should open the mod. How to open the mod? By this concept. Mod x concept. See, here no mod. Here mod is there. So mod x equal to x when x is positive. Mod x equal to minus x when x is. Now this is considered as x. This inside part is negative. Then if it is negative inside part, what is the mod x is? Minus x. X means x plus 2. This is the most important. See, no mod. Then we can find integration easily. Plus minus 2 to 5. The mod of x plus 2 inside is positive. If it is inside positive, the mod x is x. Then x means x plus 2 dx. This is. Okay, finished. Integration here. Minus of x integration x squared by 2 plus 2x. Limits minus 5 to minus 2. Plus here x squared by 2 plus 2x. Limits minus 2 to 5. Minus 2 to 5. Now apply minus upper limit minus 2 whole square 4 by 2 means 2 minus 4. Lower limit 25 by 2 minus 10 plus 25 by 2 plus 10. Lower limit 4 by 2 is 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 25 by 2 plus 10 plus 25 by 2 plus 10 and 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2. Finish. Minus plus 2. Minus 2 plus 10 8. So minus 8 plus 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2. Correct? 25 by 2 plus 12. Okay, minus 8 plus 12 4. 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2 25. 25 plus 4 25. This is the way. Are you following? If mod is there, here we have used what property? Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to integration of a to c plus c to b. That property we have used here. So this property is not applicable. It looks like minus a to a, but neither even nor odd. So that property not applicable. Then go for other properties. So at what point turning point it is minus 2. Mod x turning point 0. Above 0 positive, below 0 negative. So mod x plus 2 turning point is minus 2. So at that point we should split. So minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. So this, what is the use of this? In this interval this is complete negative. In this interval complete positive. Then we can easily open the bracket, open the mod. In this interval we can't open. Why? Because in this interval this is both negative and positive. So in which interval it is positive, in which interval which is negative, that first we should identify. So how to identify turning point? So mod x plus 2 turning point is minus 2. That point is there in between, there is splitting minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. This is the way.